Hey guys, I'm actually over at Ada Cignalja, which is an island with this forest on it over in Belgrade. It's actually about 5 miles away along the Danube River, and I'm just going to film this quick video of the woods here. They have some hiking trails and natures and fields and things like that here, and this is what the woods looks like over here. Yeah. What this sign means, I'm not sure. Maybe you guys can translate it for me. But yeah, so this is a fairly woodsy place. There's deer inside here. Not sure about snakes, but there's definitely insects like mosquitoes. And yeah, this is on an island in the middle of the Danube, but there's a bridge that connects it to the mainland. And once you get pretty far away from the beaches on the other side of this island. So you can see, I just cycled about a mile away from the beaches, and now I'm in these woods here. Let's see here. But yeah, I'm sure this probably doesn't go too far back because the island is not very wide. Alright, I'm getting eaten alive here. Let's see. Hold on one second. Now there is a bike path as well as a road behind me. And that's where people are doing running and cycling, stuff like that. I have not seen another person. Let's see. There's nobody around here. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Spider web. All right. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna turn around and see what else is on the other side.